Hello everybody, CryptoChaperone here, and it's been a few days since I've made any videos. I'm just going to make a really quick video today, just kind of talk about the markets and some stuff that I've been working on. Today, as you've been paying attention, Bitcoin's been going up a decent amount. It's gone up, I think, about $700 over this past week. We can go into Bitcoin here. And definitely over the last 7 days, there's been a decent amount of dominance. It was down in the 4300s, even down in the 4200s earlier this week. So, and it's hit a high of 419. It looks like 422 or 419, 49.22. I think was like a highest or something. So yeah, it's about $700 increase this week. As you pay attention up here to the market cap has also gone up too. But you have to also pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance. Last week this was sitting in, I think, about like 47-48% in Bitcoin dominance, and now it's up to 52.3%, which means that 52.3% of this entire market cap is Bitcoin related money, which means that there's been a raise of about 4 or 5% over the past week or two, which would pretty much hold on. Well, the markets are up today, but yesterday all these markets were pretty much down the last couple of days, which I would say that would equate to the Bitcoin dominance would be from people pulling out their money from side cryptocurrencies and putting them into Bitcoin for the upcoming Bitcoin hard fork that's going to be creating the Bitcoin gold. There's a lot of stuff that you should really learn about the whole hard fork coming up in the Bitcoin gold situation. So before you go selling all of your altcoins or whatever currencies you have and trying to buy as many Bitcoins as you have, I would definitely read up on that and try to find out as much information as you can about that. But as you can see, over the last couple of days, some of these markets were down 20, 25%, 30%, and now they're up 4, 5, 10%, 20%. So it would have definitely been a good thing to buy. I know just Walton Token, it's been on quite a roller coaster of events here. It was down at $3, I think, like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So just to see it already up to pretty much, it was hitting $8. I think yesterday it was up in the $8 range. So let's do a 1 day. So no, it was only about 7:30, mid 7s yesterday, but still, there's a lot of profit to be made off there if you would have gotten in on it early. Aside from this, I'm not really sure who the biggest gainers are today, so let's take a look at that. Looks like the biggest gainer is Metal. It always seems like Metal, Vert coin, I think even Coin last time, they all spiked decently when there was some sort of a decline in Bitcoin. So these are definitely things you want to keep your eyes on. If Bitcoin does start to decline closer to the fork, these coins might also pump, although they might, they're definitely going to decline, but they might be a little bit more stable during the dumps that people are going to be doing. I'm sure we're probably going to see the market cap drop a decent amount, and then it's going to explode probably after the hard fork, unless something different happens. I've been paying actually a lot of attention to Veritasium lately. I'm not in any way a believer in Veritasium of any way, but just the fluctuations that it's taking. I looked at it the 1 day and it had like a 40% increase, and it's just like right here it was up to $63 for a little bit, and then you could have bought it right before that. What's going on? Okay, $63 you could have bought it at, and then you could have sold it up at $74, and it's going over these big bumps, and I'm not really sure what that's all about. I don't pay attention to Veritasium at all, because everything that I've ever looked up about it pretty much just talked about it being a scam, and I've never found any real information about it, except pretty much just a bunch of people talking about how it's going to be tokens for controlling robots. But I haven't seen any sort of development on those, or any sort of development on even getting it on any exchanges. So I'm definitely not a fan in putting my money in something like that. Bitcoin Cash steadily falling. Definitely not something you're going to want to put your money in the upcoming fork, since there's no benefit of having Bitcoin Cash. So even people who have Bitcoin Cash are going to be selling their Bitcoin Cash to be getting Bitcoins. So that could be definitely something you might want to not be holding on to too much of in the upcoming fork. And the situation that we win in the upcoming months, where I think Coinbase is releasing all their Bitcoin Cash tokens, I'm really not sure what's going to happen. I think we might see a decline in Bitcoin, because you're going to have so many, or Bitcoin Cash, because you have so many people that are going to be releasing them out into the market that didn't have them before, and they really don't have any faith in it, and they're just trying to get whatever money they can from it at this point. So I think we're going to see that'll probably be the end of Bitcoin Cash, I think, at least in these digits for a while. Other than that, let's look at our biggest losers for today real quick. Bytem, I'm not really familiar with any of these. Centra, I know Centra's got the Centra card. Funfair token, I think that's based on a gambling chain. Other than that, there's not too big of losses. 8%, 9% isn't really a big loss. And the biggest loss is 26%, so there's definitely something tied behind why this is down at such a big dip at the moment, I think, since there's no other tokens even in the double-digit negatives at the moment. But other than that, so that's what today's looking like. I just haven't been working on videos the last couple of days because I've been actually drawing up a new cryptocurrency app. I've got actually a team of people looking at it right now to develop it. I'm actually pretty impressed with, well, not impressed with it, but I would be impressed when it comes together, if it comes together exactly as my vision is of it. I think it's going to be a great app for any cryptocurrency trader or anybody that wants to just pay attention to cryptocurrencies, because it's going to be able to show you so much potential that cryptocurrencies have. I don't really want to get into too much about it now, but definitely as I get more into the developments of it, I will definitely be releasing some stuff that I have going into it. But I think it's kind of like all the cryptocurrency apps that I have on my phone. I have like 5 or 6 apps, and it's kind of like all of them, like the best parts of them nitpicked and put together into one app that I think is the best. And I'm really looking forward to when that actually comes out. I really don't even care about getting it on the Google Store, or the Play Store, even though I'm going to, but I'm just more looking forward to having it for myself for the benefits of it. So that's pretty much what I've been working on in the past couple days. Other than that, I'm going to be working on some new ICO videos, hopefully coming up this week. If I can get some time to look at them in between trading. I haven't even been doing any sort of trading. I haven't even logged into my exchange accounts in like 4 days now. So I've been kind of like a holder for 4 days. So it's been kind of nice. Haven't seen many fluctuations in my earnings, except for today. They've gone up a decent amount, but pretty much like any one coin would go down 5%, the other coins would go up 10%, and vice versa. So any coins that were losing, the other ones would make up a gain, and any that were gaining, the other ones would definitely lose their momentum and really take down my portfolio on that. But other than that, I just hope everyone's having a great day, and just go out and look at as many cryptocurrency videos as you can, and try to learn as much as you can today and tomorrow and every other day. And if you like what I'm doing, subscribe. And I have my actual new camera coming soon. Hopefully, I was hoping it was going to be here today, but it didn't get here. I've got my green screen coming, some new lights coming, so hopefully I'll be able to definitely better this channel of quality, and I'm going to definitely be trying to learn all of this software to the best of my extent, so I can do just all these videos better. So just as that goes on, I hope everyone just enjoys my videos and subscribes and learns more about the crypto sphere and all this has to offer them. And hope you have a great day. Enjoy.